I'm Linda Hallinan from New Zealand Gardener magazine.
I'm a keen gardener, cook and home brewer, and for the past few years I've been living self-sufficiently in the city, growing all my own fresh fruit and veggies in a standard suburban backyard. Well, actually, it's my front yard.
Now I've moved to the country with 22 hectares to play with, so I've got no excuse for shopping at the supermarket.
I've got my own sheep, cows, chooks for eggs and the occasional roast, and a newly planted orchard of heritage fruit trees.
But you don't need a lifestyle block to live off the land.
You too can grow your own fresh, healthy food at home. All you need to do is grab a spade and get started.
And to prove it, I'm teaching a young Kiwi couple who have just bought their first home how to transform it into an edible quarter-acre paradise.